I'm Juan De Jesus, Applications Engineer for Tsugami America. Today, I'm here with TungMeister and NTK going over our Tsugami S206 Mark II. I started in the industry as a janitor, worked my way up to CNC operator, CNC programmer, and then made my way to applications engineer.
Let's start talking about the modular head solutions. Note that shallow taper feature that helps locate and center the tool on the head and the matching area of the shank. If you tighten it up, you'll see how it draws it back into those two details together.
The Tsugami S206 has a significant number of tool positions. The interchangeable tool heads allow for quick changeover, especially in machine shops that do high production or low production runs. This particular part features just about every operation you could think of: turning, grooving, milling, parting, and threading. And the first step of our demonstration features the TMB chip breaker. It's working alongside Tsugami oscillation to make a pretty significant cut with no issues, perfect chips, and a quick change tool head. We will be using the VEE TungMeister to mill these 6 flats across our part. We will use the 10,000 RPM subspindle and do a parts transfer. We will turn with an AH7025 55-degree turn tool and an NTK thread tool, giving us these nice threads on the back side of our part. After that, we will come over and eject it, and that's how we make the part. I know TungMeister and NTK offer solutions for outside of the Swiss world as well, but I think this is a great solution for just about everybody.